Dear students, today we are going to discuss about hardness of water. Hardness of water is the property of water to form an insoluble curd with soap instead of a lather. In other words, it is the soap destroying property due to the presence of bicarbonates, sulfates, and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. What are the types of hardness? There are two types of hardness, namely temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Temporary hardness is due to the presence of soluble bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium and can be removed by boiling. When we boil water containing temporary hardness, the soluble bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium are converted into insoluble carbonates and hydroxides, which can be removed by mere filtration of water. Permanent hardness is due to the presence of soluble sulfates, nitrates, and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. This type of hardness cannot be removed by mere boiling of water. Now, when we want to express and measure the hardness, what to do? Hardness of water is expressed measured in terms of milli-equivalent per liter. 1 milli-equivalent is equal to 50 milligram of CaCO3 per liter. The choice of CaCO3 in particular is because of two things. Number one, calcium carbonate is the most insoluble salt which can be precipitated out in removal of hardness. Secondly, its molecular weight is 100 and equivalent weight is 50, which is very easy for calculating hardness. Now one can classify different waters on the basis of the hardness. For example, if we consider soft water contains 1 milli-equivalent CaCO3 hardness per liter. If we consider moderately hard water, it contains 1 to 3 milli-equivalent CaCO3 hardness per liter. A hard water contains 3 to 6 milli-equivalent CaCO3 hardness per liter. And finally, when we consider very hard water, it contains 6 or even more than 6 milli-equivalent CaCO3 hardness per liter. So this is about classification of hardness. Now we can see the different advantages of hardness. Hardness actually reduces prevalence of different types of heart diseases. may be arteriosclerotic or degenerative one. It also reduces the chances of sudden death due to cardiac arrest. It reduces hypertension and tetany. Let us see the disadvantages of hard water. Disadvantage of hard water is in the form of economic loss of community and a country because of following reasons. As we know, hard water consumes soap and detergent. Thus, one disadvantage is more consumption of soap and detergent. Hardness of water is also responsible for more consumption of fuel due to scale formation in the boilers in industries. Hardness of water is also responsible for discoloration of foods. Hardness of water also shortens the life of clothes due to deposition of salts in fabrics. It also disturbs dyeing process. It decreases life of mice. It is responsible for high prices of products. After studying the various disadvantages of hard water, one has to think about a removal of hardness. Removal of hardness is possible by various ways. If we consider temporary hardness, then two methods are available. Number one is boiling. As already stated, boiling converts soluble bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium into insoluble one, which can be removed by mere filtration. Second method for removal of temporary hardness is chemical one, and it is nothing but addition of lime. Lime is responsible for removal of temporary hardness causing salts. Now, if we want to remove permanent hardness, we can use lime. We can also add sodium carbonate. Now we know that these methods, that means addition of lime, addition of sodium carbonate, is collectively called as lime soda process. Another method which we can use, that is base exchange method, or it is also called as permuted method, and very popularly known as zeolite method or zeolite process. In addition to this, ion exchange method is also there, which is very effective in removal of hardness. In this manner, dear students, today we have discussed hardness of water. Thank you very much for watching this video patiently.